Zipner, measurement instructions. Opening mounting. Horizontal measurement. Measure the window opening at 3 points at the top and record the measured value in the measurement sheet. In the middle, and record the measured value in the measurement sheet. At the bottom, and record the measured value in the measurement sheet. Vertical measurement. Measure the place where the guide rail will be mounted on the left-hand side and record the measured value in the measurement sheet. On the right-hand side and record the measured value in the measurement sheet. And take an additional measurement in the middle of the window opening and record the measured value in the measurement sheet. Measuring the diagonals. For the opening mounting, we recommend to measure the diagonals to make sure the opening has the right angle. Measure the diagonal from the top left corner and record the measured value in the measurement sheet. From the top right corner and record the measured value in the measurement sheet. Rewriting the measurements in the order form. In the order form, give all measurements in millimeters. Record the following values in the order form: the lowest vertical measured value, the lowest horizontal measured value,